Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufela Eniton, popularly known as Ika. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to calculate pips on gold, which is the xauusd pair. So you want to use there are various tools that you can use. You can use the position tool, you can use the date and price range tool, and you can use the price range tool only. So now let me make a let me see how much pips I've made from this high here, from this bearish high here, of 2643.695 price level up to here. So far so good. We have made 59 pips so far. So when you are looking at pips, you want to be looking at the first digits before the decimal and the digits after the decimal. So why you see a minus here is because of the bearish direction, like how I came from here, from this high here down to this low, because it is a bearish move that I made. That is what is the reason behind the minus before the 5.9. So but then this is a 59 pip move from this high here to this low. So whenever you want to calculate pips on gold, you look at the first digits before the decimal, and the next digits after the decimal is your pip. So this is 59 pip move. So let me make another example with a bearish move this time. Let me change the time frame to a 1 hour time frame. I can still use the 5 minutes time frame, but I just want to change everything. So now let's see how many pips we make. Let's see how many pips we make from this low here. From this low here up to this high. So in this example here, we have made 586 pips. Remember I said that your pips are the first digit before the decimal and the immediate digits after the decimal. So this is 586 pips so far from the bullish low here, from this bullish candle low here on the 31st of 2024 December, up to this bullish high here, which is the 3rd of January 2025. So that's how to calculate pips. Very simple, very easy, very simple. The first digits before the decimal and the immediate digits after the decimal, the combination of everything. So this is 586 pips. So then you can also modify it to whatever price level that you want to get. So let's say for instance we are looking at take profits from our, let me say this is our entry, 2605.735 is our entry, and we're looking at 2720.000 as our take profit. So what we want to simply do is move this this top bar here, which is the one that has the 2664.34 price level, up to this 2720.000 level. So what you just simply do is you move the top bar to the price level that you aim at for take profit. So let's just simply do this. So we are moving the 2664.346 to 2720.000 to know how many pips we are going to be making for take profit. So you just can simply go to the settings, and do this. What was the price? 664346. 64346. Okay, so just simply do this. So you can see that we are going to make 1142 pips from 2605.735 price level to 2720.000 take profit price level. So remember to calculate pips on xauusd, which is also gold pair, is the first digits before the decimal and the immediate digits after the decimal. Let's take another example, but with the position tool this time around. So let me just take this out. So let me take a buy position from this same low here up to taking the buy position. I just want to explain how to use pips with the buy position, with the position tool rather. So now, mind you, whenever you are using the position tool to calculate your pips for take profit or stop loss, you want to be multiplying it by 100. If you are using gold, if you are trading xauusd currency pair, if you are trading xauusd pair, you want to multiply your pips by 100 to be able to input it into the stop level price and profit level price in your position to whether long or short position, whether buy or sell position. So for instance, now let me say I want to use 15 pips for my stop loss and 30 pips for my take profit, which is obviously a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. I'm risking 15 pips to make 30 pips. Then as 1 ratio 2. So what I want to be doing is now 15 by 100 for my stop loss. So that will be 1.5. So that will be 1.5. I want to show you how it will be in the pips when you see it in pips. So my profit level will be 3,000. So this is it. Let me zoom in. This is not what I really wanted, but I just want to show you how to this is also how to calculate pips, but now this is how to use pips with the position tool on gold. So you can see I said that the first to calculate pips on gold is the first digits before the decimal and the next digits after the decimal, and also so you can see that my profit target is 3.0, that is 30 pips like I imputed there, and 15 pips for stop loss 1.5. So if I were to actually write 30 pips for profit level and 15 pips, it will be very, very small, and it is actually just going to like spoil my whole trade, because I would be thinking I actually imputed the right orders, that's the stop loss and the take profit order, but meanwhile I didn't do the right thing. So whenever you want to use the position tool, you have to multiply your stop loss or your take profit price, or you have to multiply your stop loss or your take profit by 100. So now like I said in the example that I just made now, I need 30 pips for my take profit. I'm aiming for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade. So I'm looking at the 30 pips for take profit and 15 pips. So if I should multiply them by 100, I'll have 1.5 for my stake. I'll have to input 1.5 here for my stop loss and 3,000 here for my take profit for it to make sense. If I want it to be 300 pips, I'll just simply add extra zero, that'll be 30,000. And this one 150 pips, I'll just add extra zero to be 15,000. So you see here, as you can see, I have 300 pips and I have 150. I have 300 pips for take profit and I have 150 pips for stop loss. So you can see the this 300 pips take profit. You can see the price level, that is the 2636.242 is the price level for the 300 pips, and the one for the 150 pips is 2591.242. So as you modify it, the price levels keep changing. It keeps changing. So it's those price levels that you now enter into your trade execution app for the stop loss or take profit price level. So let me use a 50 pips take profit and a 25 pips stop loss. For example, 50 pips, remember is by 100, so 50 pips will be 5,000 and this one would be 25. So you can see how the prices change. Okay, let me use let me use 15 pips for stop loss. So you see how the prices change. So you can see the stop loss price just change when I change it from 25 pips to 15 pips. So you can see this is a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. I mean 1:3 risk reward ratio. So you can see it. So you see my price, see the price for the stop loss that we have here, 2604.742, and take profit 2611.242. So you can see. So this is how to enter this is how to look for pips. This is my pip for take profit, 50 pips, and my stop loss is 15 pips. This is how to enter pips for the position tool. So is the price levels of your stop loss or your take profit that you want to actually get with the position tool. You understand? So if you are entering your values in the position, so you have to multiply them by 100 to be able to get the prices of those levels of your stop loss and your take profit. So when I had my stop loss for 15 pips, my 15 pips for my entry is 26, the one that is colored, the rectangle colored on the foreground, the price foreground colored gray. This 2606.242 is my entry level. So for my entry level to 26 for my entry level of 2606.242 to 2604.742 is 15 pips stop loss, and from my entry price level to my take profit of 2611.242 is 50 pips. So this is how to calculate the pips with the position tool and the price range tool. If you want to calculate pips on gold, know that is the first digits before the decimal and the immediate digits after the decimal. So thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. Please, if you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do so. Hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and like this video. Feel free to comment anything in the comments box, make any suggestions. With all being said, bye for now, catch you later, peace.